Hello everyone, I am Fiona. In this video, we have engineer Wang to explain how to perform maintenance of EPS block sheet cutting line. The service life of chains, sliders, bearings, etc. that have been properly maintained and lubricated is guaranteed. If the maintenance and lubrication is not in place, the chain will be relatively dry and need to be overhauled. 1. Chain. A chain that is too tight may cause the chain to wear too quickly, and too loose may cause the chain to skip teeth or derail. If the chain becomes loose after a period of use, adjust the tensioning device in time to ensure that the chain's tension is appropriate. 2. Bearing. The abnormal noise of the bearing is usually a precursor to poor lubrication or bearing damage. When you hear abnormal noise, you should first check the lubrication to ensure that the bearing is fully lubricated. If the lubrication is normal but the noise is still there, it may be that the bearing is damaged and needs to be replaced in time. 3. Cylinder. The cylinder is an important actuator in the equipment and should avoid mechanical collisions. 4. Nylon wire holder and copper wire holder. Nylon wire holder and copper wire holder are key parts in the EPS cutting line and need to be cleaned and checked regularly. Use appropriate lubricating oil when cleaning. Avoid using thick lubricants such as engine oil so as not to increase resistance and cause inaccurate wire adjustment. Check the wear and tear of the nylon wire holder and copper wire holder regularly and replace them in time if necessary. The standard is 10 mm plus 0.5 wire. 5. Electrical control box. Regularly clean the electrical control box after the power is cut off to ensure the good heat dissipation of the electrical components and drivers. Check the operation status of the touchscreen and PLC to ensure that they can work normally. By following the above maintenance and care guidelines, you can ensure the stable operation of the EPS cutting line and extend its service life. For more information about the EPS machine and EPS mold, please contact us by email or mobile phone. We will be happy to answer your questions.